Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I received some messages from fellow traders who got cooked in this price action right here, today's price action, and they asked me for a review or a market review, right? And it's my pleasure to do so. I'm glad you find value in my videos, right? So, as you can see, I'm gonna do a review, but a different kind of review, alright? So this is not purely technical analysis. So as you can see, this was today's price action, right? You can notice that I only have annotations after the 12:30, right? There is no annotations right here, and this is for a reason, because simply I didn't find anything worth taking here. When I opened the chart, I opened the 5-minute and the 15-minute as my higher time frame. There was absolutely nothing in here that suggests there is a close setup for my strategy. Okay, when you have experience with your strategy, you start know whether a setup is coming sooner or after 1 hour, after 2 hours. So here there was nothing, all right, and here there was some signs of a potential setup. So, and a lot of traders got cooked in here in this price action, and they couldn't survive for this price action. So you can see here is very simple. This is a trend, this is the range. So, and I took a nice trade from here, right? It was a simple 3-step process here. Long position exiting here for 1 hour, right? 1 hour 1.2. But this is not the point of this video. I'm not going to walk you through this trade idea, but because there is no point of showing you this trade if you can't survive this, all right? If you can't survive this, you won't be able to stick around for this price action, right? So I want to talk about this in this video. Now, as I said, the hard part is not finding a valid setup, right? It's not finding or coming with a trade idea. The hard part is to wait for that trade idea, right? And most traders today couldn't wait for this to pass in order for them to apply their strategy. And almost 90% of traders out there have a trend following strategy. So basically it won't work here. It won't work. It simply can't work here. But this is where it works with this beautiful trend. So they couldn't wait for this. And the reason is that when you open the chart, okay, let's say from here, you open the chart here from 8:30 to 9:30. This is the start of your trading session. 1 hour passed and you couldn't find a trade. All right, there is no trade here, and this is especially for traders who trade the lower time frames, right? So the 1 minute and the sub 1 minute, right? So 1 hour of price action is actually a lot, not like a trader who trades on the 15-minute, right? So 1 hour of price action is a lot, and usually on normal trending days, you would find a setup on that first 1 hour, or at least the first 2 hours. So 1 hour of the price action and nothing here. And then another 1 hour, and there was absolutely nothing. Your strategy offered you no setups, right? Another 1 hour passes. So now things are getting very, very hard, right? Now you're not looking for your A+ setup. You're not waiting for your strategy to give you an A+ setup. No, you're looking for a reason to participate in price action. You're not looking for A+ setups. You're looking for a reason to participate, and you start compromise yourself, and you start to settle for mediocre trades. You're just looking for something to participate, and this is very hard. This is how our mind's wired, right? Because we can't sit still, and especially in a stimulating environment like trading. It's very hard to stay still in such stimulating environment, because the simple move to the downside, you are thinking about all the traders who participated in that, who made money on that, right? You see this price leg right here, and you start thinking about, again, the people who capitalize on this move, right? So it's very hard to sit still. And now what's going on is that you will start taking trades in here in this block that you would never take in this block right here. You would never take that trade if it's happened here in the first hour, maybe in the first hour, right? So what happens is you get cooked, you get a loss here, and now you start looking for worse trades, worse than this one, right? And then you get cooked, and then the PM session is a beautiful trending price action, but you are too much in drawdown that you can't take trades anymore. So as you can see, this is not easy, all right? This drains a lot of mental power in order for you to sit still in here to reach this price action, okay? And please don't go to my comments and say that, okay, I made money today on this, because I know that 90% didn't, all right? I have been in this game for so long. I know how people think. I know that a lot of traders out there on Twitter posted their winner, and they have a lot of losers in the background that they didn't show. They have to maintain that image, that social media image. So that's the reality of social media. So one way to fix this, a simple solution to that, is that you're gonna start taking breaks. Fixed a break here. You close the chart. I don't care what you do, just close the chart. Do something. It doesn't have to be productive, all right? Just close the chart. Doing something unproductive and this breaks is way better than doing something stupid in your trading accounts, because there's gonna be a domino effect and you're gonna end the day very badly, all right? So take breaks here. It can be after 1 hour, each hour with no trades. Close the chart. It can be, if you can't survive that, it can be 45 minutes. It doesn't matter. Just take a break. As for now, you're not experienced enough with your emotions, your reactions, so set a fixed period. After each 1 hour passes, take a break, right? After you gain experience, you start journaling, you start noticing things about yourself, you start listening to yourself. You can close a chart when you feel like you are now looking for a reason to enter, to participate, and not looking for your A+ setups. Now you're looking to participate. That's it. That's your objective from the trading session, and that's very wrong, right? When you start taking it like this, it's time to close the chart. But as for now, it's better to take fixed breaks after each 1 hour, right? Take a break and come back later with a fresh mind. So it's gonna be like this. This is your, let's say, your mental power or mental, I don't know, energy started from here. It start going lower from here. And then what happens, you take a break and then it start going up again here, right? Let me start going up, and then one more time it start decreasing. When it starts decreasing, and you find yourself looking for B+ setups, take a break, do something you love, and then one more time like this. And this is better than doing because otherwise it's gonna start from here and it's gonna start decreasing, and here you're gonna blow all your accounts. Okay, so this is what I want to talk about in this video. Again, here this is very easy to analyze, right? You can see that we are putting a high here, low, high. We swept all these highs right here, or all these lows, trading to the upside, trading lower, sweeping this, right? One more time, sweeping this, and then continuing to the upside. This is very easy. Most people know how to trade this. I bet that you can find, or you can see your setup here. I don't know what setup you're using, what strategy you're using, but I bet that you can see it here, right? But in order for you to reach this, you need to survive this. Sometimes this is how the start of the session is like, right? Sometimes this is how you start the session, but you need to be prepared for every single scenario out there, right? So I hope you like this video. It was brief, but I believe it was necessary, right? If you have any questions, DM me in my Twitter account or leave a comment down below and I'll answer you as soon as I can. Now happy trading and good luck.